This is Pandas DataFrame mask versus where method. Pandas, the mask method is an application of if-then add-on. This is the general syntax of Pandas mask method. DataFrame.mask and passes the parameters. The condition is going to be evaluated here if for each element in the calling data frame, if the condition is false, the element is used, which means the original values in the data frame going to be kept. Otherwise, the condition is true. The data or the values in the calling data frame going to be replaced by other or non-value by default. So let's try to see an example how this going to be performed. But let's try to see where method in Pandas. The where method is used to check a data frame for one or more conditions and return the resulting accordingly. The same is true for mask. But the difference is the condition in the where method going to be evaluated either true or false. But when the condition is true, the original value in the data frame going to be kept. But in mask, the condition is true, the original value in the data frame going to be replaced by none or other. That is the opposite of mask. And if the condition is false in the where method, the original value going to be replaced by none, or the rows not satisfying the condition are filled with none value or other value. So these are the opposite of the mask function. So in mask, just keep in your mind, in mask, when the condition is true, the original value going to be replaced by other. But in where the condition is true, the original value going to be kept as it is. Otherwise, the value is going to be replaced by non-value. But in mask, the condition is false, it's going to be kept the original value. That is, the two functions are opposite, but they use the same parameters, but the functions are, or the purpose of the two functions in Pandas are opposite. So let's try to see an example. Here we have a data frame which contains two columns, age and qualified. The age is a random age, 30, 10, 20, 40, 30, 40, 50, and so on. This is the original data frame. If we want to evaluate the condition if the age is greater than 30, let's try to do the mask. If the age is greater than 30, if that age in each value in the data frame, it's going to evaluate each value in the data frame. For example, just evaluate the first row at age column. Age is greater than 30. That is true. So it's going to be replaced by none, not keeping this value in the data frame, the original data frame. It's going to be replaced because it is mask. And the second row is also greater than 30. It's going to be replaced by none or other value. Across the row, actually, it's just replaces the row values across in the data frame, not exactly that specific value. It's replaced by none across the row if that condition becomes true. In the third row, 30 is not greater than 30, so it keeps the original value across the row. The same is true for all rows in the data frame. So this is the mask. What about the where function? We use the same condition and we will see different results. Where the condition is true, it's going to keep the original value across the row in the data frame, not replaced by other, because the condition is true in the where. But in mask, it's going to be replaced by none or other value. across the row, because that across the row is not satisfied in the mask, but in the where it's satisfied when the condition is true. So let's try to, for example, at row 3 in the mask is the original value is already kept because it is false. When you see here, it's going to replaced by non-value across the row because the condition become false in the where. So this is the two most important functions in Pandas, very, very useful for data analysis. If you wanted to filter data based on the conditions or so you can drop non-values from this, drop NA. Just you can filter the values. Simply you can drop not a number. So this is the way how you can filter data from your data frame, because you may have large data in the data frame. So you wanted to filter some specific data from that data frame, and you can use either mask or where condition, function based on the requirements that you want to filter from your data. So this is today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.